class citizens in this country is unacceptable to me and unacceptable to the majority of the Yoruba people. In the First Republic, we know what happened. We know what the heading hand was. We know what happened to Awolowo. We know what happened to all our other leaders. We know what happened to Abiola. We know what happened to Obasanjo when he was there. They jailed them, they killed them, they brought Sharia law, they brought Boko Haram when Jonathan was there. We know what happened. I won't go too far here, but I'll say one thing. It's time for us to think again. If Nigeria is not restructured, if we do not have regional restructuring like my brother Gani Adams just said now, if we don't have that, I'll tell you this for free. Let us prepare for Yoruba Republic, end of story. That is the feeling of the majority of our people. Now, for us here today as leaders, we call for the restructuring as a first step. We appeal to the federal government. We appeal to all political leaders, all parties. Let us restructure this country. Inform power from the center. Give us the power to lead our life.
I would say that 90% of the Yoruba people today are of the view that this country needs to be restructured. That is their passionate view, and it's held for a number of very good reasons. Unfortunately, it appears that those from a particular part of the country don't acknowledge that and don't wish to accept that. My fear is that if we do not take the whole restructuring thing seriously and do something about it, let's stop talking about it, do it. Restructuring to the regions, if we don't do it, it may be the end of this country as we know it.